Welcome to Google Street View. I'm going to show you how to use Street View. You can choose nearly anywhere on a Google map and see the same view as if you were standing on the street at that location. You will also learn how you can walk up and down that street and look at the views around you as if you were really there. First, click on the Google Street View button on the Google page in your Find a Day Me section. This will take you away from Find a Day and onto the Google Maps page, which looks like this. All you will need to use will be the long bar at the top of the page, the grey Search Maps button to the right, and the little brown person symbol as seen here. To start, you will need to enter the name or postcode for the place that you want to see. I have entered the words Trafalgar Square, London. Then I click the grey Search Maps button. And there is the map for Trafalgar Square. The map is rather small, so I'm going to enlarge it by clicking on the plus sign at the left of the map. And here is a closer view. Now I'm going to use Street View. I left click on the symbol of the little brown person and drag the symbol to the place on the map that I want to see, being careful to line up the circle at the feet of the little man with the place I want to start. And here we are, standing on the street in Trafalgar Square. I'm going to show you next how to turn to the left and to the right. I click the left-hand arrow on the circle, shown here in the top left corner, and I turn to the left. If I click it again, I turn further to the left. Now I'm going to show you how to move along the street, just as if you were walking down the road. You can go in most directions, but you must move along the roads. You will just need to move your cursor arrow along the road. As you do, you will see a circular or oval shape where your cursor arrow points. I would rather go up this street. I move my cursor arrow up this road, and as long as I can see the circle or oval, I simply left click on my mouse or keypad. And now we have moved up the street. As I am right next to Trafalgar Square, I want to look around, so I click on the right arrow in the circle shown. I get a lovely view of the fountains. One last thing I'm going to show you is if I move my cursor arrow off the road and across a view such as Trafalgar Square, the circle where the cursor arrow points turns into a faint square. You should be able to just see it in the red box. If I left click now, I get a close-up view of the fountains. When you want to return to a normal view, you need to click on the small minus arrow shown here to the left. And here I am back to my normal view of the fountains. I could walk all around the Trafalgar Square and London.